Experts say we are still months away from a COVID vaccine for our children. Doctors say it may already be too late to get that vaccine approved before the start of the new school year.
Tonight, we're taking a closer look at why vaccines for the young are becoming such a challenge.
We know COVID-19 hits older adults much harder than the young. Yet experts insist the only way we'll control the pandemic is to vaccinate children, 12% of the population. Problem is, drug makers haven't even started testing their candidates in kids under 12.
Kids' immune systems are really different than adults. As any pediatrician will tell you, that kids are not just small adults. Their immune systems behave really differently.
Dr. Christian Ramers says testing is needed to find the right vaccine dose for kids and see if there are any unexpected side effects. But the logistics are tough. Vaccine makers have to separate their trials into several age groups because kids' immune systems change as they grow. That means more child volunteers are needed.
I mean, it's more challenging as an investigator myself for research to enroll a kid into a study because you have to get permission.
Because parents have to sign off, experts say it can take much longer to enroll enough kids for a study. Neither Pfizer nor Moderna have done any testing on kids under 12 and may not until mid-2021. As a result, Dr. Evan Anderson at the Emory School of Medicine told us by email, quote, "Our children under 12 years of age are almost certainly going into next school year without a vaccine option available for them." He says that could put school reopenings in jeopardy, impacting kids' mental health, and says a vaccine may not be ready for older kids in time unless there are more studies or the FDA makes a decision based on the limited data it already has.
Bar will probably be lower in terms of seeing very robust data, but I know people will be watching that data very closely to make sure that the safety issues are also hold up for kids as they do for adults.
The American Academy of Pediatrics has been calling on vaccine makers to start including children in their clinical trials since September. Without kids vaccinated, the group says we won't reach herd immunity, writing, quote, "We know that children can be infected with COVID-19 and can transmit it to others." In a statement, Pfizer told us it is, quote, "working actively with regulators on a potential pediatric study plan." But the company did not provide details.